Hello there. Welcome to our first session in our course HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for beginners. Let's begin. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. You can think of it like it is the skeleton of a big house or the bricks that is helping in building this big house. It describes the structure of a web page and it consists of a series of elements. These elements are used to tell the browser how to display this content. A sample HTML document is right here, like this. This is a sample HTML document. The first line in this example is doctype HTML. What is it? This line is used to declare that the document is an HTML document, not in any other language. HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. It's required for building the HTML web page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page, like the language, like the chorset, and whatever. Title element specifies a title for the web page, and the content in the title element is shown in the browser's title bar and not in the web page. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible elements in the web page. H1 element defines a large heading, and P element defines a paragraph. How can we write an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag, like this. The tag name, content goes here, and the end tag with the tag name, and notice that there is a slash in the end tag that defines that this is an end tag, not a starting tag. The HTML element is everything from the starting tag to the ending tag, like this. The H1 element, it's began by the H1 element, my heading, the content that is inside the tag name, and the ending tag H1, which is defined by a slash that defines that this is an ending tag, not a starting tag. And the P element. So what did we extract from the previous slide? This table. What elements did we notice? The H1 element, the P element, and the BR element. The BR element is an empty tag. It means that it does not have content and it does not have an ending tag. Okay, an important note, some HTML elements don't have content and an end tag, like the BR element, and these elements are called empty elements. Examples, BR element and HR element. The web browsers, a web browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari are used to read HTML documents and display them correctly. And a web browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. They do not display the tags of the HTML web page. Example of a web page is right here. This is an example of a sample web page. Important notes. The content inside the body tag will be displayed in the web browser, but the content inside the title tag will be shown in the web browser's title bar, like here. This index.html is the content that is displayed in the title tag, but this content that is displayed in the body tag. So there's a difference right here. Okay. This is the end of our lecture today. Thank you for listening and goodbye.